Hi, grade twos. Welcome to something a little bit different. So we've been working quite a bit with addition and subtraction pretty much since January. And so I'm put this show what you know out here to see what you guys definitely know how to do, what maybe some areas we need to practice, just to help my future planning in some of these lessons. So I've mixed these this time. So we're doing double digit addition and subtraction. And they're mixed in the sense that some of the problems are going to be addition, some are going to be subtraction, some are going to have regrouping, some are not going to have regrouping. You're going to need to look at each question and decide what you need to do. And after, at the end, I've also put in some word problems. And these are also mixed. So I put in some addition word problems, and I put in some subtraction word problems, or story problems, as we call them too. For example, I'm just going to show you this page here. So this is just some addition and subtraction problems, and they're mixed. I've kept the tens and ones here, so you guys can feel free to use those to add and subtract the numbers. So I have, on this one, I have 45 plus 16. I can see the sign here, but not every sign I see is addition. So you're going to have to look at what sign is what, and you're going to have to, again, go through each question, decide if this is a question that requires or needs regrouping, or if it's able to just add or subtract without any regrouping. So I have 4, and then I have questions on this page, and then I have 3 on this page for you. And again, you can use whatever strategy you need to use to solve this problem. So you can do, again, your tens and ones, you can do your mental math in your head, you can split your tens and ones, and you can do your regrouping. Up to you on how you do it. You can also use your whiteboards at home. Now here we have our story problems, word problems. And again, I've mixed these. So some are addition and some are subtraction. So you're going to look for the clues in your story problem to decide if you're going to need to add or subtract. And again, the same thing here. You can use whatever strategy you need to use. You can draw it on a piece of paper. You can draw it on your whiteboard. You can use the tens and ones here. You can write it down on a piece of paper, either 53 plus 40 or 53 minus 40, depending on what the question is asking you, and then you can solve it on a piece of paper. But please, please write your number sentence here when you are finished. And that is for this 1, 2, 3, 4 of these questions. Then we have our skip counting. Today is Thursday, or should be Thursday. So on my weekly job schedule, I'm just going to check this out. We're skip counting forwards and backwards by 2s, 5s, and 10s. So we're going all the way to 100 and then all the way back by 2s, 5s, and 10s. At the very end here, when you finish everything, you'll go into IXL and ABCYA. So we have a couple of options for IXL. You can either do the subtraction or addition, or you can do 10 subtraction, 10 addition, up to you. You're also more than welcome to complete 20 questions. And when you finish, you can go on to balloon pop subtraction, or you can go on math fact shootout on ABCYA. All right,